5 hygiene hacks to help you stay clean and fresh during your periods. Number 1. Change your cloth, pad, tampon or cup from time to time. To maintain proper hygiene during your periods, it is really important to change period products often. Number 2. Keep your vagina clean. It is of utmost importance that you wash your vagina regularly and properly. Remember, vagina is clean itself, so avoid using soap or harsh chemicals to wash it. Number 3. Wear comfortable underwear. Wear comfortable underwear so that your skin can breathe freely. Using cotton underwear is a good option. Number 4. Disposal of pad or tampons. Wrap pads and tampons properly to avoid bacteria from spreading. Wash and sanitize cloth pads and cups before every use. Never flush a pad or a tampon. Number 5. Use a larger pad. Due to heavy flow, many women try to use 2 pads at a time. It would be better if you use a larger pad instead to manage your heavy flow.